Yeah, people, subscribers, viewers, everybody. Yeah, man. Hard work brings success here. Hard work brings success. See, when you practice yourself, you work for what you want in your life. You understand? From you're young. You see, as a youth, I'm tell you something, people. You see, subscribers, big up on yourself. You see, as a youth, me always a work, you know, from me young and me small. Me have a father who always a steer me and push me for work. You understand? He always and want me go to school and then thing there. Big man thing. You see me, although me is a youth, me not in a lie. Me never something there. Me never graduate from high school, but me finish high school. You see me? But me didn't graduate still. Honestly. But when me finish high school, me did it and me a work still, you see it. But my daddy wants me better, so them and you see art, me have to big up art, you know. At Jamaica, the government art. You see after that, art me go, you see it. And you send me go art, me go learn a skill for 6 months. Then me come to boom, and me go hotel go train. And I train for 2 weeks free. Yeah, I'm done, me not get no work. I work at a restaurant, you see it. And I be a fool, say boss, them a give me a restaurant and I cut. They fire me, not lie, they fire me. See it, me did it. Next, line up at him, I got hotel go train for 6 weeks without no pay. And couple, but 2 weeks, me there, my yard stand me and my phone ring. I get a call, I get work. You see me? Now, when I live off of success, you see me? And I have to big up to my father, you see it? My daddy, I have to give my respect to my car. Yo, you have some worthless daddy, you know? That's why you see, me always say, yo, anytime I see a man not take care of youth, it hurt me, you see it? Because I know my daddy take care of me and I know the love they feel and the joy they feel, you see it? So, yo, I say some man to take care of their youth on a real level, you see it? And hard work, as I tell you, brings success, you see me? And you link there. If you never see my baby, see my baby beside me.
Hi!
Yeah, that's my baby beside me, you see her? Yeah man, fat face, not true?
Whatever.
Yeah, so that's a New Link production baby, yeah. She not Jamaican, so she not talk patois, but she understand when we say it still, you see me? Yeah man, see her there? My wife, my beautiful baby. You see it, my queen, my princess. You see it? New Link production, so a long time here and I'm not to fake this. You see me as a people. And I'm not to look now. People come a foreign because I know she bring me a foreign, for telling you the truth. I know she bring me a foreign, you see me? And my work bring me a foreign and I do my skill bring me a foreign, you see it? And I tell you that people. And me not married to look people or nothing. You see me as a people. I just real thing this. I love, you see it, naturally love. You see me, I kiss baby. A natural thing this, you see me? And I not to fake these people. They get what me I say. So just yo, I real thing people, but as I say yo, some man still if you take care of their youth on a real level man, big man thing. You see me? Your man work hard and take care of it. And it depend on a woman for nothing, brother. Me I tell you, it depend on a woman for things. You see me? Because once a woman that give you love, attention and everything, and it depend on a woman for money and anything that all. Because a man for work, you see me? A man for work, God make a man for work, you see me? Woman for take care of the house, you see me, and then thing the youth them, you see it? Man for work, but you have some worthless boy when I want to work, you see me? Some man when I want to work, them think they hot, them think they bun me people, you see me? Them think they are nice. A man for work, to make better himself and achieve life, you see me? Because growth you say as a man, you know. So you see, anytime I see a man and he don't like work, me not trust him people. Me I tell you honest, me have one friend and he don't like work, me I cut him off, me not trust him. Because he will do anything for money. You see me? And nobody know say money not come easy, and nobody know people not give you money so easy. You see me? Because any man with a mind man, a batty man. Me I tell you the truth, any man with a mind man, a batty man. Me not mind no man. Me not mind, if me have a virgin, you know, and he link me, I have a thing, me game. But he can't accept for myself if I mind him. Not a fuck. Me, New Link, not mind no boy. Me, yo, people you say a foreign, me I tell you this, it's just like a brother post up, money not easy if you work a foreign, you know. If you have money a foreign, me I tell you, hours you have to do, you know, overtime and them thing there, you know. You see it, and the bills not easy, you know. Guess what me there? Food expensive, you know. You see a Jamaica, a paradise, because you see no grow no food, no yam, no banana, no grow, you see. You see it? None of them things they not grow, you see. So you have to work. You see me I say, I be import things. So you know, say if I buy one banana a yard for say 10 Jamaican dollars, you say US have to buy now one banana maybe $1 US, one look right banana. You get what me I say? Things different there so. You understand? It's different. I'm telling the people, so, yo, as a man, yo, I'm telling you this, you soon have no youth a yard and thing. I want to day. I'm telling this, man, when you broke on the youth for work, that always a teach. You see, if the youth a go out there go do supermarket job from he young, a good thing him a do. Don't stop him from go work from he young because it build up his mentality for work. You see me? Because when he have things easy, I don't like work when he young. Me I tell you, he will come up and turn nothing. I'm telling you, worthless. You see it? I tell you that now, people. I see friend them with your youth then keep to. We don't have to watch them to, you see it? The friend them because you have some friend. They're not good. You see it? You have some friend of them lead the youth them astray. You see me I go to high school, me I tell you honest truth. Me not power in a gang and me not keep the bag of friend thing, you see it? Because the type of people I did say at high school at the time there. I be a bad youth them, you see it? Burn weed, go on burn weed and anything then. Me could have followed them and maybe they do me the right answer today. You see me as a people. Big man thing. So I really think me I telling the people, as you have a smart man. John, you have a smart. You see it? You have a smart. You see it? And you have to think wise nowadays because yo, you know see you run a level in people. You know see how people are like dead. You have a smart man. Yeah. And enjoy life same way. You see it? You have a smart. Let me tell you that people. You're happy. You see it? Enough man out there they're not smart and they not think. But as something there you have to think. You see it? It's me I say people. I really think me I tell you it's a New Link production man and just big up on yourself my people, you don't know. And just stay tuned man cause I'm more thing whatever thing they have to talk about, that's it. And big up on yourself people and subscribers, just big up on yourself and just tell the next one about the channel and thing and roll in, that's it. Cause New Link production there and we are kick it off like a ball, I don't know. And we say it, you know. I'm so bad, a New Link production. Up people, big up. Yeah.